The Public Bank Group is dedicated to providing clients with a banking service and a strong visual public bank in order to deliver a great customer care. Today, the Public Bank stands for great customer service, consistent operations, solid management, high asset quality, and a long-term profitability. The Group 45 years profit track record show this characteristic. The Public Bank has a focused and consistent expansion plan. This is the pursuit of organic growth in retail banking and focus on a broad range of retail customers and small medium-sized businesses (SMEs), as well as improving the retail banking market leadership position. The expansion of retail loan, deposit, and intermediary business has been a priority for Public Bank in the retail banking industry. In order to boost company growth and expand market share, the Public Bank Group has excellent customer service infrastructure, procedure, and practices. It may assist in providing fast and consistent service, and customer satisfaction is regarded as the everlasting quest of Public Bank.
Public Bank Berhad or PBB. The first branch of Public Bank in Malaysia was at Jalan Gereja, Kuala Lumpur, and the first owner of this bank was Tan Sri Datuk Sri Dr. De Hong Piao on 6 August 1966. Their main goal of establishing this bank is to serve the banking demand to the people. Until now, Public Bank continues to keep growing after 54 years, strengthening their leadership, services, financial management, business blueprint, and high-quality service. Public Bank provides so many products and financial services, including share booking, wealth management, insurance, as well as consumer banking, investment banking, Islamic banking, and commercial banking. Public Bank has served 9 million customers through 260 branches and has almost 2,000 ATMs in Malaysia. Public Bank was the third largest bank in Malaysia and holds 54 years track record of uninterrupted profitability with an asset size of RM 455.26 billion at the end of 2020. Public Bank was recognized as the second largest firm in Bursa Malaysia with the market capitalization of RM 79.97 billion. The bank therefore treasures its human capital, and its human capital strategy has thus been reformed to not only attract the desired talent but also to absorb and develop this talent to their greatest potential.
Next, group corporate structure. Public Bank currently offers a comprehensive range of financial products and services, which include personal banking, commercial banking, Islamic banking, investment banking, share broking, trustee service, nominee service, sale and management of unit trust funds, and general insurance products. Public Bank currently has a network of 259 branches and over 2,000 self-terminals in Malaysia. In Malaysia, Public Bank has so many subsidiaries, including Public Islamic for Islamic banking, AIA Public Takaful for Family Takaful, Public Investment Berhad for investment banking, and many more. Furthermore, Public Bank also have their own subsidiaries outside of Malaysia, including Public Bank Hong Kong Limited, Public Bank Vietnam Limited, Cambodian Public Bank for banking operation. They also got Public Bank Limited for offshore banking and PB Trust Limited for offshore trust company.
Public Bank has wins forwards for outstanding e-payment ecosystem. There is a Top Jompe Acquire, Best My Debit Bank, Top My Debit Acquire, and outstanding contribution to My Debit. Public Bank Berhad, or in short form PBB, again appeared at the Malay E-Payments Excellence Awards, MEEA 2019, as one of the most prominent achievers. 4 awards were awarded to the bank for their excellent contribution to the advancement of the ecosystem of Malaysia. The MEEA is organized annually by Payment Network System Senjaran Berhad, PayNet, to recognize the outstanding achievement of banks, businesses, and government agencies that have contributed significantly towards electronic e-payments in Malaysia, excellence, innovation, and growth. PBB was awarded with the following awards: the Top Jompe Acquire, Best My Debit Bank, Top My Debit Acquire, and Superior My Debit Contribution. The prizes was presented by Kaveno Adnan Muhammad Zahid, Assistant to Bank Negara Malaysia. Its Managing Director Tai Ahlet received the prizes on behalf of PBB. For the third year running, PBB was recognized as the best My Debit Bank in Malaysia and retained the Outstanding Contribution Award for My Debit and the Top My Debit Acquired Award. The PBB awards are a consequence of the strong integration of new e-payment channels and a robust infrastructure to offer the most dependable, safe, and a secure e-payment supply.
The first product that public bank provide is Public Islamic Bank Credit Card I. The benefit for those who apply this credit card firstly will be with payment in the first year, and the following year they will only charge at least 12 swipes over the previous 12 months. Secondly is you will get 4% of cashback on online and overseas transactions, capped at RM30 per monthly statement cycle. The third benefit is 0% of FlexiPay plan. If you purchase above RM1,500 into a 6 months installment plan, you will get 0% management fee. Next is 0.1% of total dining transaction will be automatically donated to Yayasan Wakaf every month. Donation amount is capped at RM100 per monthly statement cycle. The last benefit for those who apply this credit card is get complimentary access to Malaysia Plaza Premier for 2 times to any Malaysia Plaza Premier launch.
The factors for BAE Personal Financing I is a minimum quick catch from 5,000 to a maximum 150,000 for the hassle-free payments option via salary deduction from employer. There is no guarantor required. For requirements, it's for Malaysia citizen aged 20 years and not exacting 60 years. It's only for permanent staff of at least 2 years in service at any of our approval agency. That should direct deduction from employee salary for the monthly installment payable to the bank. Gross salary of earning is 3,000 per month, including fixed allowance. Encouraged to take takaful coverage. Other terms and conditions apply. The factors for BAE AG Personal Financing I is a minimum quantum quick catch from 5,000 to a maximum 150,000. There is a hassle-free payments option via salary deduction through Biro Angkasa. There are also no guarantor required. The requirements is for Malaysia citizens aged 20 years and not exacting 58 years. Direct deduction from employee salary and for the monthly installment payable to the bank. Next is BAE Personal Financing I. The factors should be a minimum of 5,000 to a maximum 150,000 quick catch up. There is a hassle-free payment option via salary deduction from employer. No guarantor required. For requirements, it's for Malaysia citizens aged 20 years and not exacting 60 years. Should be a permanent staff of at least 2 years in service at any of our approved agency. Direct deduction from employee's salary for a monthly installment payable to the bank. Minimum gross salary of 3,000 per month, including fixed allowance. Should take and coverage, takaful coverage. Other terms and conditions apply. Next, we have a BAEG personal financing I. The factors is quick catch up from a minimum 5,000 to a maximum 150,000. There's a hassle-free payment option via salary deductions through Biro Angkasa. No guarantor required. For requirements, it's for Malaysian citizens aged 20 years and not exacting 58 years. Direct deduction from employees' salary for a monthly installment payable to the bank. Other requirements as below, we have federal and government staff. It should be at least 1 year in service of permanent staff and minimum gross salary of 150,000 per month, included fixed allowance. Next, we have non-federal and non-state government staff. Should be at least 2 years permanent staff in service and minimum gross salary of 3,000 earned per month, including fixed allowance.
In conclusion, Public Bank is a domestic bank which is very dominant. Public Bank has promised to offer a variety of products and services to customers. And also, Public Bank Berhad is a leader in terms of its service. However, the bank cannot rely on its success and must continue to achieve greatness in earnest. Overall, the company's services are of the higher quality than its competitor and has made significant investment in human resources. Thank you.